Hey, good evening. Dan Fitzpatrick here at StockMarketMentor.com on Wednesday, March 7th. And I want to look today at Tesla. We looked the last couple days at Twitter real quick. But gosh, I think it's really cheap at $30.66. I think it's going to be even cheaper at about $25. If you're behind this stock, you better be behind it on the way down because that's where it's going. Now, back to Tesla. Look, they announced earnings, actually not so good, right? You can see where the blue dot is here. Look where the stock traded, or how I should say the stock traded after hours. Earnings were released. Stock immediately starts trading down. I mean, it's really getting kind of taken out to the woodshed, right? But let's look for the trade. First of all, if you're a fundamental guy and you're looking at this video, you probably clicked on the wrong link or something or other, because there's nothing fundamentally sound about the fundamentals here with Tesla. Like the PE's 262. That's only cheap, like relative to Amazon. Okay, so this is from a fundamental standpoint. You can't say this is a compelling stock. I mean, come on, if you're making that rationalization, you're the guy that probably bought up here at like 265, and you're rationalizing why you're still in it here at 186, and you're just unwilling to admit that the reason you're still in it is because of a lack of discipline. So there's no fundamental reason for owning this stock. Now, from a technical standpoint, this could be a buying opportunity, and that's what I'm talking about. Technicals here. I'm not talking about the product. I will tell you this. I've driven a Tesla several times. I mean, like the Elon Musk kind, the P85 Plus. Mercedes, BMWs, Porsches, any of them, Maseratis, Lamborghinis, McLarens, Aston Martins, all of those are faster than the Tesla only because the driver allows them to be. The Tesla is not fast, it's something else. It's a flipping toy is what it is. So there's no question that they make the best product. Absolutely no question. Golly Gee Motors and Ford and all those other guys, they have no product that's going to compete with these guys ever. So with that said, I'm telling you, the reason I'm telling you that is because I don't want you to think I'm a fan of the stock because I'm a fan of the car. I'm not. I totally break them down differently. Look, this bad boy hasn't been, I don't think it's ever been to the 200-day moving average. So I'm looking at this as absolute key critical support here. The 200-day moving average is 175.82. We'll call it 175. Okay, stock's trading down after hours to like we'll call it 185, whatever, in the mid 180s. Support from the middle of April was down at 185. So what do we have? We've got support at 185. We've got the 200-day moving average at 175. So what we're looking at here are a couple of pretty significant sources of support right here, and the stock is trading down to this level. Now, earnings weren't that bad, and as some of the guys on Fast Money say, it's kind of all about the battery. They're going to make these big battery plants and this and that. I hope so, because I need some new batteries for my wireless mouse. It always runs out. So the bottom line is that's what everybody's looking at. I don't really care about that. You know what I care about? This. I care about 175, 185. As long as the stock stays above this level, I'm good. I think this is a stock that you can own. If, however, it starts falling below the 200-day moving average, again, it's not a cheap stock on any level except like relative to Amazon. But if the stock starts trading into this box here, look, don't be a Teslonian. Just sell the stock. You will then be able to buy it a lot cheaper, but you're probably not going to want to because the stock's going to be in deep correction mode. Until that unhappy day, though, you go ahead and buy this thing on a dip. Just trade the chart, not the ticker. Trade the chart. Chart down at support, this is your buy point. Okay, members, over to the strategy session. By the way, if you're not a member, you need to be. That's my sales pitch. You need to be, why don't you just get that done and quit being a wussy boy?